The 2026 BMW X7 is here, and it redefines what it means to be a luxury SUV with power, presence, and cutting-edge technology. This flagship three-row SUV from BMW is bigger, bolder, and packed with innovations that make it a serious contender in the luxury segment. Whether you're looking for a high-performance ride or an opulent interior that pampers you on every drive, the X7 delivers on all fronts. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the X7 makes an impact. Let's take a deep dive into every aspect of this luxury beast and see if it lives up to the hype. Exterior. Starting at the front, the 2026 X7 sports an even more refined and aggressive look compared to its predecessor. The signature kidney grille has been reworked, featuring a more angular design with active grille shutters that optimize aerodynamics and cooling. For those who love a bold presence, BMW now offers an illuminated grille option, making sure this SUV stands out day or night. The sleek, split headlight design, first introduced in previous models, has been further refined, with sharper daytime running lights and an upgraded matrix LED system that adapts to road conditions with even greater precision. The front bumper is more sculpted, incorporating larger air intakes that emphasize the vehicle's wide stance while improving airflow. Every element at the front screams power, elegance, and modernity. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 BMW X7 retains its commanding proportions but with a more sculpted and athletic stance. The long wheelbase ensures a spacious cabin, while the new character lines running along the body add to the SUV's dynamic appeal. BMW has introduced new 23-inch alloy wheel designs, adding both style and performance benefits. These wheels come with a lightweight construction to enhance fuel efficiency and handling. The X7 side mirrors now integrate cameras for a 360-degree surround view, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. The flush door handles not only improve aerodynamics but also give the SUV a sleeker, more futuristic look. The chrome accents around the windows have been replaced with a more sophisticated satin-finish trim, giving the side profile a more premium aesthetic. The air suspension system ensures a comfortable ride while also providing an adjustable height function, allowing the driver to raise or lower the vehicle depending on terrain and driving conditions. At the back, BMW has made some exciting updates that elevate the X7's rear-end design. The taillights now feature an updated OLED technology, offering a more striking and customizable light signature. The LED strip connecting the taillights has been refined for a cleaner, more sophisticated look. The rear bumper integrates new exhaust outlets, giving the X7 a sportier appearance while enhancing performance. A subtle roof spoiler improves aerodynamics, reducing drag while adding to the SUV's aggressive stance. The power tailgate now comes with a hands-free function, allowing easy access to the cargo area with a simple foot gesture under the rear bumper. Whether you're loading groceries or packing for a road trip, convenience is at the heart of the X7's design. Interior. Stepping inside the 2026 BMW X7 is like entering a first-class luxury suite on wheels. The cabin has been completely revamped with an even more opulent feel, featuring premium materials like fine-grained merino leather, open-pore wood, and crystal-finished controls. The new curved display dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrating a 15-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system running BMW's latest iDrive 9. The new AI-powered voice assistant ensures that most vehicle functions can be controlled with natural voice commands, making the driving experience more intuitive. The ambient lighting system has been upgraded with new interactive elements that respond to driving modes and notifications. The front seats now feature a built-in massage function with multiple settings, ensuring long drives are as comfortable as possible. The second-row passengers are treated to executive lounge seating with ventilated and heated seats, while the third row has been improved with more legroom and better cushioning, making it one of the most spacious in the segment. The panoramic sky lounge LED roof adds to the sense of luxury, creating a relaxing atmosphere with customizable lighting effects. The Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, offering an immersive audio experience with crystal-clear sound quality. BMW has also enhanced connectivity with 5G Wi-Fi capability, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, ensuring passengers stay connected on the go. Performance under the hood. The 2026 BMW X7 offers an impressive selection of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering around 390 horsepower and 395 pounds-feet of torque. This setup ensures smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, making it a great option for those who want a balance between performance and economy. For those who crave more power, the X7 M60i comes with the 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, now producing an even more exhilarating 545 horsepower and 553 pounds-feet of torque. Thanks to the mild hybrid assist, throttle response is instant, and power delivery is seamless. The most hardcore enthusiasts will gravitate towards the BMW Alpina XB7, which pushes out an incredible 630 horsepower, allowing for a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.9 seconds. Mind-blowing for a vehicle of this size. BMW's iDrive all-wheel drive system is standard across all trims, ensuring maximum traction in all conditions. The adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering make the X7 feel surprisingly agile, despite its large dimensions. The updated braking system provides strong stopping power, ensuring safety and confidence behind the wheel. For those looking for a more sustainable option, rumors suggest BMW might introduce a plug-in hybrid version of the X7 later in the year, offering an electric range of around 40 miles before switching to its gasoline engine. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW X7 starts at around $85,000 for the base iDrive 40i model, which is well equipped with all the latest technology and luxury features. Moving up to the M60i, pricing jumps to approximately $110,000, reflecting its high-performance V8 engine and additional sporty elements. The range-topping Alpina XB7 starts at around $155,000, but for those who want the ultimate expression of BMW luxury and power, it's worth every penny. BMW also offers various customization options, including exclusive paint finishes, premium interior trims, and advanced driver assistance packages, which can push the price even higher. Overall, the 2026 BMW X7 continues to set new benchmarks in the luxury SUV segment. It combines stunning design, an ultra-luxurious cabin, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge technology into one package that's hard to beat. Whether you're looking for a comfortable family hauler, a high-performance SUV, or a statement of success, the X7 checks all the boxes. With its bold styling, refined interior, and thrilling performance options, this SUV proves that BMW remains a leader in the luxury space. The competition is fierce, but the X7 stands tall as one of the best in the game. So, if you're in the market for a high-end SUV that delivers on every front, the 2026 BMW X7 should be at the top of your list. Let us know in the comments what you think of this beast, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trendz TV for more epic car reviews. See you in the next one.